Hey, hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Preetham. Today we are going to discuss what is the roles and responsibility of a system administrator. But before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video to explore a career in system administration, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will define the role, responsibility, and skills of a system administrator. So we will start with the basic. What is system administrator? A system administrator is a professional who maintain computer systems, servers and networks of their clients. They are required to understand the specific requirement of their clients and accordingly recommend or suggest computer system designed for them. Some of their job duties and responsibility are to install and maintain system for organization and maintain as well as upgrade data cloud infrastructure. System administrator professionally who support multi-user computer environment and maintain the smooth operation of IT services. They may also be involved in identifying networking issues. Then they fix those issues, identifying cyber security threats also, and devising ways to prevent institutions. As a whole, a system administrator tests computer systems and internet servers to determine different ways in which this system can be improved. So, as a system administrator, you will frequently interact with end users who use the Windows, Mac OS, or Linux through ticketing systems. Many ticketing tools are available to interact with the end users, clients, internal employee, external employees. Also, you will respond with appropriate changes and solution while maintaining organization policies to issue resolutions. So we will start with the roles and responsibility of exact roles and responsibility of Windows system administrator. So the position could include any of the following. The basic and the main fundamentals of this role. I'll clear you with the some important topics, like first is been user administration, then system maintenance, then documentation, then system health monitoring, then backup and disaster recovery. Activities may involve several software solution, several hardware issues, then software components as well, then application compatibility, then network administration, then security administration, database administration, installation and patching also, then policy implementation, then last but not the least, user training. So all these points I'm going to explain one by one in detail. So here we will start with the first topic which I have told you earlier, user administration. So the primary responsibility of a system admin is to support reliable and effective use of complex IT system by end users, whether internal employees or external employees or client side employees or client. So activities range from managing identities, access management, to providing dedicated technical support to individual persons, individual users like client, employees, internal, external, client sides. As a system admin, you may be the first point of contact within the IT departments to user to resolve any technical issues. So then second one has been system maintenance. So system admins are responsible and dependable to give the access uh, to maintain the systems, whatever the system available in the within the organization. So system administrator are therefore required to troubleshoot and fix issues that compromise system performance or access to an IT service. The responsibility also involves regular system improvements, such as then upgrades of end users, and as per the business requirements, he needs to do the system maintenance. Then one of the very important next topic is when documentation. A system administrator are required to maintain records of IT asset usage, and to plan for future IT investment and upgrades. uh, he needs to document end user requests, then business requirement, IT issues. Then documentation also underpins regular compliances. So this is all about documentation. So then next point is been system health monitoring. Most of the IT organization, most of the IT issues go unnoticed until the impact reaches end users. System admins therefore monitor system health and identify network behavior, which may include security sensitive activities such as unauthorized network access and data transfer. Then advanced technology solutions may be used to accomplish this task, supporting the wide IT security and operation departments. Then next one has been backup and disaster recovery. System admins implement data backup and disaster recovery strategies for different IT system and software development life cycle environments in that. Uh, you will also facilitate end user in accessing data that may have been deleted or not available in the system. So you need to access that data, you need to recover that data. So this is all about backup and disaster recovery. Then in that one more point in that, like in backup and disaster recovery, there are some activities may involve, like implementing automated software solutions, replacing hardware and software components. So this is all about backup and disaster recovery. Then next one is been application compatibility. System admin supports various IT teams to ensure that software system and feature releases are compatible within the IT infrastructure. For an example, you may also need to testing the servers load performance, then install or upgrade hardware components. Then you need to do the web service administration and configuration. So system administrator regularly perform web service administration and configuration management activities, including or ensuring that configuration changes are document uh, he needs to documentate that changes and follow organization policy associated with access and cyber security. And also configuration changes may be applied using automation and configuration management tools. The next point is network and administration. To maintain network integrity, system admins ensure that network interaction follow organization policies and protocols. In this network administration, sometimes the issues are quite bigger. So a background in network engineering may be required to perform mission critical network administration activities to resolve the issues within the organization. The next topic has been next point has been security administration. The this is the one of the very important point in the system administrator responsibilities. Like security responsibilities are centered on infrastructure and network security, which activity includes like network monitoring and analysis, identity and access management, maintain security of hardware components, managing software licensing, updates and patching. Then system administrator adopting this responsibility to work closely with security specialists and engineers within the organization as well as external consultants. Then next is been database administration. So system administrator may be responsible for maintaining the integrity performance and efficiency of database system. Database management activities may include migration, designing, configuration, installation, security of the organization data asset. System admins may act as a liaison with user to address database related issue, including backup and restoration activities. This is all about database management and administration. So next point is been installation and patching. A system administrator are responsible for managing then troubleshooting, licensing and updating hardware and software asset. He will ensure that appropriate measures are proactively followed in response to unforeseen issues such as IT downtime or zero-day exploits. The day should not go vanish. Then he will document these activities and follow a strategic approach to install the system, to install the operating systems within the computer system as per the organization policy. Then next is been policy implementation. He basically he implement the policy for the use of computer system and network. Then the last topic of this point has been the last point of this topic has been uh, user training, one of the very important and interesting topic. So usually a system administrator who gives the training to many people, like it may be you can say internal employees, then it may be external employees, it may be client side employees, so it may be end users. So anyone, whoever required the training of the computer system, he needs to give that training to as per the schedule of within the organization. So usually for that a system administrator communicate directly with the end users to solve technical issues. Sometimes you may sometimes he may also conduct training programs in detail to bring user up to pace within new software installation or any IT system changes. So hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be coming with the next very good topic shortly. Thank you so much friends.